You've had a really, really interesting start before you were opening restaurants in Melbourne. Like, you've worked for some, like, it's kind of the who's who of like the Sydney and the global dining scene, like Rennie Redzepi's, Dan Hong, you know, Brent Savage's, the good guys, the sort of hellraisers.
Yeah.
I mean, what was the decision behind that? I mean, it's all so diverse in terms of cooking styles. And
every place that I work there for a reason. Like work for Khanh Nguyen because I wanted to learn Vietnamese cuisine. Bacchus with Justin North because I wanted to kind of learn the fine dining, refined kind of style. It was known as the hardest kitchen in Australia. And
I know that we heard stories from down the road. It was like a feared kitchen.
I guess that's one of the reasons why I wanted to work there, just to challenge myself and see, you know, how hard it can be and how much I can kind of endure, I guess.
Yeah. And so tell us a little bit about this dish.
So this is a dish based on something we do at Sunda. There's different types of textures in there. We've got silken tofu, which is really soft. The broth is quite similar. It's soy-based. There's tamarind in there. There's dried tamarind slices, which is quite different from the tamarind pulp that you use. So the pulp makes it all cloudy and muddy, but this is nice, clean flavors, nice and clear. Instead of the prawns, we've got okra, which has a nice crunch, a bit slimy.
Love it.
We've got Korean rice cakes, which is tteokbokki, so it's quite chewy. And then there's elephant ear stem or taro stem, which is this here. So that's got like a really nice, spongy, fresh kind of texture to it. That just kind of absorbs flavor. So whatever broth you put in it absorbs it. And then there's coriander, Vietnamese mint, a bit of chives, and lemon myrtle oil, which gives it a nice zing.
Mate, that looks unbelievable. Like, that's just, I mean, certainly there's plenty going on there texturally, but that looks just visually stunning. That's probably the most beautiful tofu dish I've ever bloody seen.
Yeah, there was a point in the restaurant where I was like the only one that was allowed to cut the tofu because it takes a bit of practice, I guess.
Cool, mate, that's incredible. So I'm going to create a home-style sweet and sour broth using the Marcel chicken stock, flavoured with aromats, and serve it with some silken tofu. Something that's sort of super achievable for the home cook. Using this as inspiration. So, mate, thanks so much for sharing that.
Thank you.